Guys, we're rolling up at the Sam's. All right, guys, it's got a 13 amp motor, 21 psi initial discharge. Under typical load, it's going to be 1800 psi. It's got a 34 ounce foam cannon, so you can put your soap in here. Three quick connects. They come at 0 degrees, 15 degree spray, and 40 degree spray. Got a utility bristle. It's got a wheel and rim brush. It's got a turbo nozzle. Got a 20 foot high pressure hose. Quick connect lance. Instant start squeeze handle. Total stop system. So I guess it shuts off the power when the trigger is not engaged to save energy. Got an onboard hose storage. So it's got a hook. The gross weight is 23.6 pounds. All right. It's got a 2-year limited warranty. The brush. Water on. So that's what it looked like before. That's what it looks like after. So I wanted to come back when this was dry and just to show you, this is just water, no detergent added. So I just did a section to give you a comparison, but it really cleans up the brick very well. Okay, now we're gonna add a little heavy duty Sunjo cleaner. So SPX APC1G. We'll put this in here and lock it. All right, we're gonna attach this onto our gun. Twist in. As you see, well, you might not be able to see down there, but there's a little hole right here on each side. There's a hole on each side, and it's got to line up with this hole. So it comes in like that, then it's on there, okay? It's locked in. So you got a nozzle on here too. Turn to the right, more soap, less soap. All right. Spray some suds. This is just to get the suds on there. You'll take this attachment off after you're done getting all the suds that you need, whether it's on a window or it's on brick. So we'll take this attachment, push, turn, this comes out. All right, push, turn, put our little 40-degree spread.
attachment on. Okay, it's on. Trying to do a full driveway, you're not going to get that bright white look with this machine. It's just not going to happen. You're going to spend $400 worth of water trying to get that bright white. It does what it does. It's good for siding, brick, rims, stuff like that. But you'd probably need to bump up your machine if you want something to get that bright white driveway. You can get it pretty good, but probably not going to be perfect with this machine. Anyway, that's my opinion, and that's my experience with this machine. All right. Here's this little Sun Joe, about $100. Got mine at Sam's. So tell me what you think. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, and of course we'll see you on the next video. All right, take care.